In this video, I want to show you how to install and how to replace the ink cartridges in your Brother INKvestment MFC-J1365DW printer. So let's get started right away. The ink cartridges, if you never installed them, comes in this package. So let me simply remove them. And by the way, if you need replacement ink cartridges, I'll put links in the description towards Amazon, where you can get the specific ink cartridge that fits this printer. On the right side, you're going to find the ink compartment. Stick your finger behind and simply lower this door. You're going to notice that there is an ink compartment for each colors: magenta, cyan, yellow, and black. Let's start with the magenta. So you're going to take the magenta ink cartridge that has an M over here. You're going to simply hold it this way, and we're going to simply insert it, glide it inside its specific spot, okay? You're going to find that it's a bit harder to push at a certain point. Simply wiggle it until it comes in this position. Then, as it says over here, push. Take a finger and simply push where the white circle is until it clicks. And you're going to do the same thing for the rest. So here I have the cyan ink cartridge with the C. I will glide it and simply push the circle until it clicks. Then the yellow. And finally the black ink cartridge, which is larger than the other ones, since you're probably going to use more of these. Again, I'm holding it in this position with the white circle facing me. I'm gliding it, I wiggle it a bit just so it fits better, and then I push it. When time comes to replace these ink cartridges, you can simply put your finger on the top of the ink cartridge you want to replace, let's say the blue one, the cyan one, and you're going to push down. This will disengage the ink cartridge and then simply glide it out. It's a very easy process. At the end, close the lid, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Again, check my Amazon links in the description to get those ink cartridges, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.